Hi, this is Zach with the Behr Real Estate team at Keller Williams Real Estate. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic is going to be about how to live in your home while it's listed for sale. Now, your home may have always been a sanctuary for you, your personal space, but when you have a for sale sign outside, it's going to be important that you learn to bear it all. You're going to have eager agents, eager buyers that are going to want to come through and see every inch of your property from attic to basement and everything in between. Now, here are a few tips for you to use while living in your home while it's listed for sale. All right, so tip number one is going to be to start packing your home now. The secret to getting a clutter-free home is to start getting rid of things that you can live without while your home's listed for sale. So the second thing I'm going to recommend is that you either store it, sell it, chuck it, or donate it. The key to getting your home decluttered for sale is to start getting rid of things. Not only will buyers appreciate that and the extra space they see in the home, but it'll also actually make things a lot easier when it comes time for packing and moving once the home is sold. So tip number 3 is going to be to get your house squeaky clean. Clean homes oftentimes sell for $5,000 to $10,000 or even more than messy, dirty homes. I'd aim for 5-star hotel quality. I mean, cleaning sinks, the glass, toilets, bathrooms, bathtubs, everything. Tip number 4 is going to be to maintain your safety and privacy. You're going to have a lot of people coming through your home and looking at different components. It's my recommendation that if you have anything that's valuable to you, either monetarily or even emotionally, that you either lock it up or store it. And finally, tip number 5, involve your kids in the process. If you have children, make it a game or a contest to see who can help clean up the fastest, putting toys and belongings away. You'd be surprised to see how much fun kids can have cleaning and putting things away. Moving can be stressful. Hopefully these tips have been helpful in making this process a whole lot easier for you. If you have any questions or if there's anything we can help you out with to kind of prepare you for living in a home while it's listed for sale, don't hesitate to give us a call. Well, thanks again for tuning in. If you have any further questions or anything at all we can help you out with, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, subscribe below for more videos to come.